Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to start a dropshipping business from scratch in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to pick a niche. You need to choose a product category that solves problems or that has consistent demand. For example, you can choose any eco-friendly home gadget or fitness-related accessories. Always avoid any oversaturated items here. So once you have your niche ready, you need to find a supplier. In order to find the supplier, you can use these platforms like Alibaba. Then we have CJ Dropshipping. You can also use Spocket to source the product. You need to basically look here for the supplier that have the good reviews, fast shipping and reliable support. So once you have done that, now is the time for you to build your store. In order to build that, you can use either Shopify or WooCommerce. These two platforms are very popular. So let's say you have selected Shopify. So you need to set up your free account here. After that, by clicking on the products section, you need to start giving the detail about your product, like the product related image, title. You need to write the clear description of your product, then set the pricing with your profit margin keeping in mind. Now, once you have done that, you need to connect the payment methods and further shipping related details. For that, you can go to the settings of your Shopify store. Then you need to go to the payments section. From here, you need to add the payment method. It can be PayPal, credit card. So you can set it up. You need to set up the shipping rules as well because many suppliers offer e-packet or fast local delivery in 2025. Now, once you have everything ready, you can promote your products on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and with the help of Facebook ads. The short viral videos and influencer shoutouts also work for dropshipping in 2025. You can also run small ad campaigns. You can track your products, sell, and double down on the winners. Always remove the items that don't perform on your store. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.